start off by saying thank you to all the folks who are here today, all the nurses today, who for the past 16 months have endured some of the most difficult and challenging times we've had here, certainly in our Commonwealth and in our country as well, and the services you provide to ensure that folks you treated were taken care of properly and well, and we appreciate everything you have done. You know, we unfortunately think back, as Rick talked about, you know, many of us stood together here in many parts of the region to ensure that we maintain a 2 healthcare delivery system here in Allegheny County in western Pennsylvania. And I will tell you that this was one of the places that we were very much concerned about. Representing this community for now 10 years, we were concerned about losing the facility. And a number of us took the battle to Harrisburg, took the battle to the streets of our region to ensure that was the case. AHN had no problem asking folks like myself and so many others, Representative Innamorato is here, Councilwoman Deb Grosser here, asking us to stand together to support them, to maintain the viability of this facility. And we did that. We did that. So now what we're asking them is to stand together with all of you and stand with us and honor our request that we have an opportunity to have a fair contract, a fair conversation about how folks should be compensated. Have a fair conversation about what the nature and the quality of the work that's been provided has always been exceptional, but now recognizing that. It was mentioned earlier, take the time to value our nurses, take the time to support our nurses, and take the time to invest in them. That's what needs to be done. This fight for all of you is personal to me. My daughter Rachel is a nurse over at Children's, and we worry, my wife and I, for the past 16 or 17 months, worry about what the nature of the quality of the support and respect that the entity had for her as a nurse, making sure that they had the proper PPE, making sure that the staffing levels and staffing ratios were appropriate so they could provide the quality of the care that was necessary for the kids that she worked with. That was important to me, and it's important to us, and that's why it's extremely important to us to be happy, and we're honored to be able to stand here with all of you all we're asking for is that AHN reciprocate with respect to the support we provided them to be able to be the entity they are today, to provide the support to all of you through your wages, through staffing, through protection, through PPE, and all those things. That's what's necessary. Respect, support, and was mentioned earlier, invest. Thank you, all of you, for being here. I really appreciate the chance to say